If you see "Where winds meet, slow connection," please check your connection and try again while playing. Where winds meet, don't worry. This usually happens because of unstable internet or server issues. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If possible, use a wired or more stable Wi-Fi connection. Next, restart the game and your device. Close the app completely, restart your phone or tablet, and relaunch the game. Now, disable VPNs or proxies. These can interfere with your connection to the game servers. After that, close background apps that use bandwidth. Streaming apps, downloads, or cloud backups can slow your connection. Also, update the game. Go to your App Store and install any available updates to fix bugs affecting connectivity. If the error persists, wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes the game servers may be temporarily overloaded. Finally, contact game support if none of the steps work. They can check server-side issues affecting your account or region. In most cases, using a stable network and closing background apps resolves the slow connection error.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.